Once you have entered the Syrebo.com website, you can find the app download button. And here, you can click on the app download pack and select download the document. Once finished download, it will look like this. Click to enter and select the device name and choose connect. Once it's connected, you can see the home page. Just two profiles. The client's profile is here. You can click the button to add new patient. You can enter the patient's name, the phone number, and also their login password. And here you can put down the patient's corresponding diseases and condition. And here is the patient's profile. And you can use the login password just set to enter the individual patient's profile. And once entered, you can see the patient name appear up there, and there's different modes. So now we enter the training mode. You can see here the 6 different training modes, the same as on the host. And you can select it to change the parameter, the flexion time and the extension time, and also their intensity as well. Once set it, you can press start to start the training and pause to stop. Here's the opposition button, the mirror training, pinch training, fine motor training, and the strength training mode. The next one is the active game mode. Once entered, you can wear the data glove and following the instruction on the right hand corner. And here is the record. So all the training and game training, it will be recorded down here, and you can click download to save it.